In today's video, I will walk you through how to disable two-step verification on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you no longer want to use Telegram's two-step verification, you can turn it off directly from your security settings. Just keep in mind that you'll need to know your current password before you can disable this feature. Once it's turned off, Telegram will only rely on your regular login verification process when you sign in on a new device. To begin, open the Settings menu in Telegram. From there, select Privacy and Security to access your account protection options. Under Privacy and Security, look for Two-Step Verification. This is where you can view and manage the extra password that protects your Telegram account. Tap on Disable Password. Telegram will then ask you to enter your current two-step verification password. Type in the password you created when you originally enabled this feature, then continue to the next screen. After your password has been verified, Telegram will process your request and remove the two-step verification password from your account. Once the process is complete, you'll return to the security settings, where you'll see that two-step verification is now disabled. If you ever decide to add this extra layer of protection again, you can return to the same two-step verification settings and create a new password at any time. And that's all there is to it. Disabling two-step verification only takes a few moments, as long as you know your current password. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful Telegram tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.